Welcome to Luca and Miguel. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to make donuts like JCO. To begin, gather your essential ingredients. You'll need about 300 grams of high-protein bread flour for that signature chewiness. Fresh yeast, around 7 grams, activated in 120 milliliters of warm milk, is vital. Don't forget a pinch of salt, 50 grams of sugar, and 30 grams of softened butter for richness. Next, let's prepare the dough. First, mix your dry ingredients, then gradually add the activated yeast mixture and softened butter. Knead this mixture for a good 10 to 15 minutes until it becomes wonderfully smooth and elastic. Afterward, place the dough in a lightly oiled bowl, cover it, and let it rise in a warm spot for approximately 1 hour or until it doubles in size. Now for shaping your donuts. Gently punch down the risen dough to release air. On a lightly floured surface, roll it out to about 1/2 inch thickness. Use a 3-inch round cutter to create your donut shapes. Place these cutouts on parchment-lined trays, ensuring some space between each. Cover them loosely and allow them to proof for another 30 to 45 minutes, or until they appear noticeably puffy. Finally, it's time to fry and glaze your delicious donuts. Heat about 2 to 3 inches of vegetable oil in a deep pot to precisely 350 degrees Fahrenheit. Carefully fry the donuts, 1 or 2 at a time, for about 1 to 2 minutes per side until they achieve a beautiful golden brown color. Remove them, drain excess oil, and while still warm, dip them into a simple glaze made from powdered sugar and a splash of milk. Enjoy your homemade JCO-style treats.
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.